It's been happening every summer for just over a decade. The grass gets cut. The lines are put down. The markers laid out. The pads get adjusted. And the team comes together. This is the 11th year the Hinesville Hurricanes, members of the Southeastern American Football League, have brought their brand of action to the local Hinesville community. The Canes are now shepherded by coach, manager, do-everything, James Sharp, and assistant Coach Ice. The philosophy of the team has always been about sportsmanship, teamwork, and establishing positive role models for youth in the area.
I try to show the guys how to be a role model, trying to show them the right way instead of the incorrect way, because I let them know that you can play football and enjoy the game without hollering and cussing at somebody, and it's all about teamwork. I told them a long time ago, once you come together and bring it together as a team, you'll win a championship. And thank God that happened last year.